The YZ is looking good. Try and heat this place up. I think the temperature's raised maybe like 2 degrees in here, so we're all good now. Basically, I've got all the parts that I need. I just need to throw everything on. The only thing I don't have is last night I was just messing with this this bolt for the clutch there, and kind of snapped it off. So gotta wait on that. And people, if you do that, do not put a regular bolt in there. You see that? You see that? It's got a little sleeve. Go get the right one. We've got our air filter. We're gonna toss that on. Then we should be, I mean, just plastics and little radiator louvers, and then the skid plate. So let's get to it.
You must be out of your goddamn mind. Yo.
There she is. Brand new radiators, some new plastics, some new parts here and there. Thing looks good. I'll get it outside in a bit, whip it around, give this maiden voyage, try not to wheelie it and crash. Chain's a bit loose, tighten that guy up and then clean it and lube it. Brand new grips, kill switch, gotta make sure that that works. Now that we got the bike put back together, we can fire it up. Alright, first start, live on camera. And kill switch works, so that's one of the major problems working in here. Exhaust fumes. That's almost a wrap. Just the couple touch-up things, and then I don't know if anybody's interested in titling, things like that, but basically with that, when I bought this bike, had a California title. With that, all I need to do is just fill out the back, put my name on there, and send it into my county. I live in Montana. I just take that to the county treasurer. My information's filled out on the back of it. I apply for a title. If I don't get a OHV sticker or plate, then all it is the $10 title transferring fee. So that's pretty much the route to go. The OHV sticker I think is like $80, and then to get it registered with a plate I think is another, I don't know, $90, $100. So what's really nice is you can buy a bike, transfer the title, $10 only. You don't have to pay any type of registration fees or anything, if you don't want to, obviously. And then, you know, you can fix your bike up, sell it, and minimal cost. The next video, what I'll do is a basically cost breakdown. Everything from the bike to every single part, titling fees, gas to go get parts or get the bike, oil, coolant, everything like that. So if you're interested, you can check that out. It's probably in the playlist already, but that's pretty much it. I might, if it gets nice enough today, I might take it out for a little rip. Also get some nice pictures of it for Craigslist. Get it on there sooner rather than later.